Hi, my name is Taryn Takabayashi, and I'm here to give you a technical review of our app called Kahukai. I am from Team Bloombugs, and we are students from the University of Hawaii ICS department that share a love for animals and programming. Hawaii Marine Animal Response, or HMAR, is the largest nonprofit organization in Hawaii, helping with conservation and rescue of our marine animals. They respond to reports of monk seals, turtles, and seabirds. They currently rely upon phone conversations to handle reports and would like a web app that would help streamline the process. Our solution is Kahukai for Guardian of the Sea. There are two main components of Kahukai, the mobile side for general users to log in reports, and desktop management for admin users to view all records. Our app will take the date, location, and other descriptive information and flag records of higher distress situations. Having fat is essential for seals. They need it to stay warm. On the left is a picture of a healthy baby monk seal. On the right are two pictures of malnourished pups. Say that John happened to see a malnourished pup at Kaena Point. He could make a report either by calling or by filling out our online form. By clicking on the Seal button, John goes to a seal sighting form to log a report about the baby seal. The form starts by asking for a date, John's phone number, if he should need to be contacted, and the GPS coordinates of his location. These must be manually entered now, but our team plans to implement a clickable map to help fill out these coordinates. The GPS coordinates will be connected to the nearest landmark of interest. These are the GPS coordinates for Kaena Point. The baby seal has no tags or markings, but its skin looks abnormally baggy. John records that the seal is underweight. Fortunately, there are few people around to potentially harass the seal. John reports the approximate number of passerbys and clicks submit. An administrative user could log into the app and is able to access a navbar link called Reports List that is privy only to admin users. This security measure is to protect the regular users' phone numbers and locations, as well as keep this app from becoming a tracking device to find out all possible locations these animals might be visiting, which would be disturbing to their natural state. You can see that the reports can be ordered by increasing or decreasing values for a column, and that we can filter the reports by keywords. Here, John made multiple reports for various types of animals. We can also note that it is John by his phone number. We can filter by location and see that there are two reports in the database now for Laniakea Beach. HMAR currently handles all marine sighting reports by phone call. Say the admin received a phone call and is currently talking on the phone with a concerned individual. The admin can also fill out the online form, much like a regular user. This turtle is injured, as you can see by its cracked shell, an injury commonly caused by collisions with motorboat propellers. The admin logs in the date and location. The turtle was found on Laniakea Beach. It has a flipper tag that might help HMAR with identification, and its cracked shell is recorded. There is a small crowd around, so HMAR takes note of that. The turtle might be disturbed by people. Our team plans to flag situations, including large crowds, as a higher priority for distress. The admin can see all regular user reports as well as their own. So here, the admin filters for the report on the turtle with a cracked shell. Our team also plans to implement a way of exporting the list of reports into a format that can be opened with a spreadsheet application. This feature would be in line with HMAR's current operations, as they currently use spreadsheets in logging reports. To help regular users identify marine animals in distress, we also put together a few pages describing potential problems for the three groups of marine animals that HMAR handles: seals, turtles, and birds. Users are prompted to call if they can, or fill out the online form. Currently, all reports are pushed to one table for the admin to review. The admin could look for turtle-only data by filtering for turtle. But our team plans to improve the usage in our next iteration by having separate tables for turtles, seals, and birds. Close inspection of our current forms shows that we ask the same questions for each type of animal. Having separate tables also means that we can collect different kinds of reports for the different animals. We may also modify the forms so that they are different for animals in distress versus animals just reported for citing records. Reviewers of our code at this stage may see pages such as test page that are not part of the main function of our app. Here in test page, we show that by clicking on an image, we can return a text string and add it to a test record. We plan to use this type of functionality to improve our user interface. For example, providing clickable images to make it easier for the general user to log in records from their phone. Thank you for watching this presentation.